Guys, we're going to use the tire repair plugs to fix a flat tire. So this is I'm going to just show you a basic view of how to do it, just even to do it at home. And this is the tire we're going to be using. So we just have to check all around the tire. Already seen one. We have one nail here already in our tire, which we're gonna fix today. So we check around the tire if we have any other puncture, and then from there we can be able to begin fixing it up. Yeah guys, I recommend that you have these tools. They're not really expensive for the tire repair kit. Like this right here is so cheap at Harbor Freight. It goes like for $6, so it's just something you must have in your car to help you out when you're on the road. Maybe you have to fix it up. So these are tools we need. We need a cutter pliers. We need the tools for preparing the place and then for fixing it up. So you take out the plug, one of the plug, and then you put it on this tool. This is the one we're going to fix it inside. So what we begin by first taking out the nail, and then we prepare the place using this tool here, which looks like and then once that is ready, then you can use the plug with that special tool right there. You push it all the way, and then once all the way in, and then you just pull out so quickly it won't bring it out. So it just come out, the tool will come by its own. Just pull it so just fast. Yeah, there we go. So we have like an extra protruding section of the plug, so we bring in our cutter pliers and then we cut the excess part. We take it out so that our tire will be will move on, like we don't feel like there's something just protruding in the tire. So let's just cut it all the way, and then once we're done, our tire is fixed. We can just put A, and then we can enjoy our ride back. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you out, and please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just put it in the comment section, and then I'll be there to answer for you guys. Okay, thanks for choosing our channel. Yeah, our tire is fixed.